are here today with my two little sisters who are little divas too. And they just want to be in the video for me to unbox my goodies. Right, girls?
Yeah.
All right, so we're all going to introduce ourselves. My name is Giselle. Obviously, welcome to my page. What is your name?
I'm Juliana.
Okay. Hello, Juliana. And what is your name?
Adriana.
And her name is Adriana. Let's welcome everyone to our page. Today we're going to be unboxing some more goodies and actually showing you how to use these products as well. So I've been super duper excited to open this one. Let's see if we can try to open this one. Let's see, how can we open this? How many girls is it gonna take to open up this box, huh? I think it has more tape over here.
I need a boyfriend.
We need my boyfriend. We need a man.
Oh my god.
So the box is very pretty, very decorative, and very pink. Right? It comes with a lot of these cute little
Pink things.
pink things. I think they're little heart styrofoams. So cute.
Oh my god.
They're so cute. And now we take out our Beyond Pro Kiarasky. So let's go ahead and put this over here, get it out of the way.
But
I am super duper excited to try out this Kiarasky nail drill. I've been hearing a lot of great stuff about it. It is, I believe it is wireless. Yeah, it's a portable. It's wireless. It's really convenient. The other one that I had was an $11 Amazon cheap 1-star nail drill, and it just definitely didn't hold up as good as I know this one will. So, let's go ahead. Here, focus on the video, okay? Here, throw that over there. Let's just get rid of that. So, as you can see, it's pretty. It's nicely boxed, and you can pull it out nice and smoothly. So you can actually just store it in here if you want to, or if you have somewhere else that you would like to store it, you can as well. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so it does say, you know the drill. Yes, I do. And if we get closer over here to be able to look at the packaging. So it does come, here it is basically. It's very lightweight. Keep this open, Juli. It's very lightweight. It has its on and off here, and the speed, oop, as you can see there, that's on, and it's actually charged, so that's a good thing. So if you get it and you're looking to start using it, it's actually comes charged. It's very pretty. You know it's on because this light will be shining. Forward and reverse buttons are right here. This is the hookup. Let me go ahead and this is also the nozzle for the RPMs. All right, so now the drill. The drill itself. It is so pretty. Is this heavy? Is this heavy?
no.
No, is this heavy?
No.
It's awesome. It is very lightweight.
I don't use it.
Really convenient. So the way that you use it is you connect this into here. You turn it on. And we do need to put a drill bit on here actually.
What is this?
That is a little stand for it, and it comes with 2 drill bits. And I'm not really quite sure what that is, but I'm really excited.
I touched that.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's the charger for it. Good job, girl. It's the charger for it. Put that right there. Okay, let's try it out. Look at this. The drill bits come with a diamond in the middle. How elegant and beautiful and classy. All right, guys. So it does come. It was a little tricky for me at first, but it literally has an unlock and a lock switch. All you have to do is twist it this way to unlock, and it has an arrow, so you will actually see that arrow lining up with the unlock. So you pull this piece out. It comes with this little white band. This little white band that you are going to put into your drill bit piece.
Is this poison?
To protect it from dust coming in. So once you put it in here, you will then lock it. And again, you want to make sure that arrow is lining up with the lock to make sure it's in there. So let's go ahead and try it, okay? We're gonna turn it on. And right now, I'm gonna put it very low. I do have it at 5. My speed is 5. See the number 5? See the number 5 there? So that's the speed. You can instantly just tell the difference between this and the other drill that I had. This is so smooth. It's so quiet. It really makes like little to no noise at all. So to keep the volume down in your salon, you know, if you don't want all the ruckus, this is definitely the way to go. So right here, I'm really just going to test the drill on my little sister's nail. Don't do this at home, guys. She just wants me to try it on her. I'm not going to be doing any acrylic on her or anything like that. It glides so smoothly and it doesn't hurt at all. Look, give me your finger. All right, so actually look, Miss Adriana has some nail polish on her finger. So this right here is literally going to take it off.
I have nail polish. I have some nail polish.
Look, it's taking off that nail polish. And this is actually gel that she has on here. I'm going to show you, oh, I almost forgot, you have to unlock, take out, don't forget the band, and don't lose the band. I'm sure you can get a replaceable part. This is the large barrel fine non-coated diamond top. So this is the large barrel. Now this is the sanding band one, so you just put your sanding band around it into here, just slide it right in. This is when you want to file before, you know, while you're prepping for the acrylic. This large barrel one is more for when you're filing down the acrylic once it's already on the nail. So this is your sanding bit. You put the sand band on here and you sand down the bed. It's really convenient. You just stick it back in there. You put it back in the container. This is going to be a lifesaver, a time saver. It is. It's great, lightweight, little to no sound, very efficient, very quick. I think I'm going to have a blast with this. So I will be showing you guys how I do a full set of acrylics using this nail drill. I think that it's going to like limit the length of time that I take by about 10 to 15 minutes, if not even more, honestly. So I'm really excited to try this. So it's easy to disconnect, to safely put back the drill as well. 1, 2, 3. I will be putting a link in the description so that you can get your own and save your life a little bit. So next we're going to be unboxing this DND Gel Nail Polish package. Alright, so let's get ready. Sometimes we just gotta, you know? Hit it. Pull that piece over there. Alright. I do like the packaging that they give me in here because well, first of all, it's priority mail, so which is pretty nice. It came in like 3 days after I ordered the stuff. So here's something. Alrighty, start opening these. See if you can open them. So I decided to get a lot of neon colors because they just look so beautiful, and I feel like neon colors honestly go any time of the year, year round, whenever you're in the mood. I will help you, Miss Adriana, because it is a little hard to open. Now, I do get the dual packages, which is the regular nail polish and the gel nail polish. It's literally like 50-cent difference. I'm not even kidding you. It's so worth it because you never know when a client is going to want regular nail polish on their feet. Whose favorite color is blue?
Me!
All of us!
Me!
So let me put the neon colors over here, and then I'll put the rest of the colors somewhere else. So finally we have gotten everything out of those bubble wraps. And we're going to show you all of the colors that we have here. Now, I'm telling you guys, go onto their website, shop for your gel polishes, shop for your nail art. I got all of this for under probably $50. I'm not even joking, and it's a lot of nail polishes. You can see here, gel and regular, so it comes in their sets. We have pink, green, blue, yellow, orange, purple, black, and red. I did decide to get a lot of neon colors because I believe that neon colors go right any season, whether it's spring or fall or winter. I don't think that you could go wrong with a neon color. They are very pigmented and they are thick gel nail polishes that you only need about 2 coats each and you're set, you're ready to go. I did get this free spider gel. I'm excited to use this on top of like a white. I do have white gel polish, so definitely will be using and showing you guys how you use the spider gel. So Juliana got a little tired of being in the spotlight, so she has left us for the show. But Miss Adriana is still here, ready to rock and roll. I will go ahead and demonstrate maybe a color on her, but she does have some nail polish on her right now. So why don't we go ahead and maybe try it on me? Right? Let's try it on me. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Cool. So you can see here. She's 8. Say it against the camera. Loud.
8.
She is indeed 8 years old, which is why she can paint so perfectly. Ta-da! Alright guys, well thank you very much for enjoying the unboxing of these awesome products. I will be showing you how I do a full set, coffin set, gel set with these colors and my new drill. Stay tuned. Thank you for bearing with me. I apologize for any malfunctions, technical difficulties, and for the background. I will be moving shortly, and well, in like the next month or so I will be moving. We'll be having a little space for you guys to be able to just really focus on nails. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. I would greatly appreciate your support and appreciate every single one of you. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching.